If your content feels like it could belong to anybody, this is probably why. A lot of entrepreneurs are posting helpful content, but when they look at it, it still feels flat, like it doesn't stand out, or it does not feel memorable, and it does not fully feel like it's them. And because of that, people scroll past it quickly. Content feels generic when there is not enough personality, perspective, or clarity behind it. I've seen creators trying so hard to make good content that they remove everything personal from it, and it becomes overly safe, overly general, and overly polished. So even if the information is helpful, there's nothing emotionally connecting people to the creator. People do not just connect to information, they connect to perspective and presence. So let me show you how to make your content feel stronger and more memorable. First, talk about real experiences because real experiences create stronger connection. What have you learned? What have you struggled with? What has helped you? That makes your content feel more human. The second thing is to stop trying to sound like everyone else. You do not need to copy another creator's style. Your voice matters. Your way of explaining things matters, and that is part of your brand. The third thing is to be more clear about your message. Generic content usually comes from unclear messaging. The clearer your focus becomes, the stronger your content feels. The fourth thing is let people experience you more directly. This is one reason that live content matters so much. People get to experience your energy, your personality, your perspective, and that makes your brand feel more distinct and more memorable. The fifth thing is to stop trying to appeal to everyone. The more specific and focused that you become, the more deeply the right people connect with your content. So if your content feels generic, here's what's really happening. There is not enough clarity, personality, or perspective coming through yet. But the good news is you do not need to become louder or more dramatic to stand out. You just need to become more clear, more real, and more consistent. If this helped you, please make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. I truly appreciate your support and thank you for watching. All right, friend, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.